how to create an email template in Klaviyo. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can send an email and create some templates within a Klaviyo. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to visit klaviyo.com. Then you have two options. Either you sign in if you are a member already, and if you are not, you are going to click on sign up. In my case, I have already an account, so I will click on login. Once you have logged in, you will see here the dashboard or the admin dashboard. As you can see, we can see the performance, we can see the top for performing flows and etc. Klaviyo is a very practical and also very to use. You can set some automations, create some emails, and select and grow your audience. It is very easy to manipulate and work with this platform. So, the first thing that you need to do before setting up an email is to get your audience. Within here in the left side menu, you are going to select the audience and then click on list and segments. Right there, you are going to set a new audience. Here we have two options. Either you are going to create a list, static list of profiles, or you are going to create a segment. This segment is a dynamic group based on defined properties. This segment is going to be set after you have created your audience list. So we are going to click on create list. Then you are going to name that list, for example, audience, like that, test. And we have it. And the tags. You are going to set the tags. The only two tags right there, we have email or SMS. You can go ahead and set one of those or both. When you finish, click on create list. Now, we have the audience test list. We have the members. You can go ahead and create a sign up form to collect and gather some emails and some information about the visitors of your website. Of course, you have to integrate your Klaviyo to your stores or your website by clicking on integrations. Then you are going to connect the store or website. You can set up a subscribe page, upload contacts, and quick add. Now, if you want to add manually the audience or a contact, you're going to click on quick add or quick add from here. Set the email, first name, last name, title, organization, phone number, click on add, and boom, you are good to go. But if you want to upload some contacts with bulk, you're going to click on upload contacts. But there, it will give you the option to upload a CSV file, and then this CSV file will contain the name, the last names, and also the email addresses. Right here, as you can see, each contact must include an email address or phone number along with any additional fields you would like to import. Phone numbers must be in a supported format. So you are going to create a Google Sheets or a Excel file and export it as a CSV file. Then you are going to set everything. Now, when you finish these steps, you are going to create your email. So you're going back to home. Then we are going to click on campaigns. Right there, you are going to click on a create campaign. It will let you see here the campaigns, and simply we are going to set here the campaign. We have three types: email, SMS, or push. I will select right there email, the date, and the campaign name. I'm going to name it, for example, test campaign. And here we have it. The tags I'm going to set it as emails and click on continue. Now, we have the recipients. You can send to, for example, and select the audience. And then we have all of the audiences and the contacts that we have made. Now, don't send to, you can exclude some contacts. Here we have the option to skip recently emailed profiles, estimated recipients, and etc. You can set the tracking, and here we go. When you finish that, click on continue to content. And here you are going to create your own email. Now we have the subject line, the preview text, and the sender name. So we are going to set a subject line. For example, I'm going to send an email about abandoned cart or something like newsletter. Let's go ahead and set a newsletter. This is the subject line. I'm going to preview it right there. Here we have the sender name. We have the sender email address, and you can use this as your reply to address. Now, we have the email designer. We have three options: drag and drop, create an email using our drag and drop editor; text only, send a plain text email for a more personal feel; and also the HTML, which is a custom code of the email. I like to use the drag and drop because it is much easier. Here you can go ahead and see the templates. You can go and select one of these templates and create or customize it or create blank email. I would like to click on create a blank email, and then it will be uh, showing off the editor right away. Now, I would like to add, for example, here we have logo. I'm going to add my logo. Click on replace, upload image, select an image. I'm going to select it from my desktop. So we are going to set any image. Let's go ahead and select a logo. This is our logo, for example. We'll wait for it to be uploaded. And here we have the logo. You can go ahead and make it a little bit uh, bigger or smaller. For example, you can go ahead and move it like that. Click on edit, and you are going to make something of it. For example, I'm going to set something like not that, but the resize. I'm going to set it for 50 by 60 like that. Go ahead and make it like this. Click on save, and here we have the logo. It is set to the center. And now we are going to add something. Here we have the content, and also we can modify the styles. We have the blocks. You can drag and drop any of these blocks. You can add a product, for example, like that. We're going to set the product, or you can add an image, a split, a button. This is the call to action, a header bar, drop shadow, spacer, social links. I would like to add it to the footer, but it is added already. And here we have some columns and sections. I already like the newsletter created within Canva. So I'm going to visit Canva, then type on Canva in the search bar and select a newsletter. Let's select this one, click on customize, and here we have the, let's say, the newsletter. So company newsletter, I'm going only to set newsletter right there, delete that website, I'm going to delete that logo and let the date. Right there we have the pages. I'm going to remove that design. For example, I'm going to let this, and I'm going to delete the images. So we are going to replace the image right there by some images that we have. Let's go ahead and add this one and also this one like that. Here we have the customized, let's say, newsletter. This is just an example. You're going to download it, and then we are going to set it as a PNG and download it. We are going to wait for a few moments until the download will be proceeded, and then we are going to upload that file directly to the image or the Klaviyo template. So right there, I'm going to click on download and see everything is set normally. So we are going to add a image block, and with that image, we are going to upload an image. Select image, go to the uploads or downloads that you have set, and here we have the image. We're going to wait for a few seconds until the upload is set. Then we are going to see the result directly. As you can see right there, everything is set and the image is fully uploaded. So you can add something to it. You can add some blocks from, let's say here we can add the image, and we can add some alternative text. We can add a link address. Whenever someone click on the image, it will be guided to our website. For example, I'm going to get this link and put a link address right there, and here we have it. So now it is fully clickable, and we have some options to add some image area padding, background color, image area border, and etc. You can see here the display. You can set it to the desktop and also the mobile version. You can set it right there, and here we have it. This is for the mobile version. You can save everything and crop it, or also you can add a spacer. For example, you can add a spacer right there between the header and the image, and also a spacer between the footer and that image. Here we have it. And when you finish, you are going to click on exit right there, or preview and test. This is everything you are going to set. And then we have the option to send test or send to the audience that is set. Here we have the previewer, and here we have the mobile version. It is not set up already. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.